Hi everyone, welcome back to Palette Life and I am Suma Babu. You can convert trash into treasure. You can reuse or recycle many of your household items. Have you ever wondered what to do with those old wooden chopping boards? So thought of sharing this project of trash into treasure with you all. If you have a wooden panel, don't worry, you can do it on a paper. After all, our aim is to learn painting. Try out each and every video of mine so that you will learn the skill gradually. So let's begin.
It is a very old chopping board. I love this wood finish. First of all, we have to prepare the base. Lightly sand the surface to clean it off and prepare it to take the paint well. Be sure to remove any stray dust prior to painting. We have to design our painting as per the size of the plank. I'll use this big brush for the base coat. I have taken some Fevicryl acrylic colors on my palette. I may add more colors as per the requirement pops up. I'll use this blue color. I'll mix some white also for the base color. I have taken all the required materials like brushes, palette, rag and bowls of water. I'm just fixing the figure of snowman into the plank. It is just a rough sketch. I'm not making any detail now. I'm giving the base colors first, then gradually giving details to it. Now almost our painting is over. Just want to add few more details like snowfall into the painting. With very small drawn brush, I am putting some dots. It need not to be the perfect ones. You can add different size dots with white paint. And add more details into the ground where snowman is standing. Keep it aside for 3 to 4 hours for drying properly. Acrylic colors dry fast, but thick coats of colors are given in the ground, so giving more drying time. After that, we have to varnish. As usual, I am using clear varnish, the same one I uses for my oil paintings also. Varnish gives the painting a glossy effect and also it protects from fading.
Hope you like the video. You can hang this piece of art like a painting anywhere in your house. If you want to see more videos like this, comment in the description and also mention your experiences while trying out my tutorials. See you soon with yet another new and interesting video. Until then, bye and take care and happy painting.